The Pokemon Day 2026 Collection Box is a special release celebrating the 30th anniversary of Pokemon. The box was released in January for $14.99. While it's a relatively small collection compared to ETBs, it is still a great product at an affordable price. Inside the box, you'll find a foil Pikachu promo card featuring a special Pokemon Day 2026 stamp. You also get a metallic Pokemon coin with the 30th anniversary logo, along with 3 booster packs. Specifically, we have 2 Phantasmal Flames packs and 1 Mega Evolution pack. As compared to larger collection boxes, the Pokemon Day box focuses more on commemorating the franchise's milestone than offering a large number of packs. I got 2 hits from the box. Let's check them out.